It's Kayla and welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, hey, if you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. You already know me, we're going to get right into this video. So today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add text in iMovie on top of the video. So if you need to know how to do this, then stay tuned. Adding text to a video in iMovie is pretty easy. I'm going to show you guys how to do that and probably some other things that I found out myself. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and click on the iMovie app. Either if you already have a video that you're trying to edit, or if you're starting a new one, you'll just click on the iMovie option at the bottom. But I already have one that I am technically did, or like a reel I created, just to show you guys basically how to add a text here for the example. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and just select on the movie. And of course, we're going to do is edit. So you click on edit. I'm not going to play the video, anything. It is just something, like I said, that I did for a reel for my Instagram. The first thing you need to do is just tap on the video. When you tap on the video, you see how it highlights in yellow. That means it's selected. At the bottom, you're going to get different options anytime you tap on the video. The option that gives you to add the text is titles. When you click on titles, you're going to see these different types of options you have, like slide, gravity, focus. So you can select either one. The thing is, they kind of give you a preview of what's going to happen. So let's say we just do split. You're going to see basically the text is going to split into two before it comes in as one to show you what my text actually says. After you click on the video here and then you click on whatever option of the text title you want to use, to edit it, you have to click on the actual video where the text is. And when you do that, you're going to click on edit and you'll see how your keyboard will come up and you'll be able to type whatever you want to type there. For this, I'm just going to basically put what we're trying to do, which is how to add text. Okay, so you see that it changed to what I wanted to say basically. And to show you guys the whole split feature of it, I'm going to go back and then basically press play. So you see how it did a little split and then it brought it back as one. Another thing with that is if you mess up or you type something wrong, you don't have to just delete it. So meaning you have to start all over it. It resets it back to what it was. So that's a kind of additional plus. Um, Jumping right into the next thing is you can change the color and you can change the font. So you can stick with the feature of split or slide or gravity. Like you can stick with those, or you can change the font so it doesn't look like what the default is. So you can change it to anything here and you will still have the feature of that split or gravity that I was saying before, but the font will be different. So I think that's a plus there. It doesn't lose the feature of whatever title that you were clicking on in the beginning. Next thing, what I was saying is the color. So you just click on the one right next to it and you can select whatever color you want based off your theme, the type of video you want to have, if a certain color is better to look at than versus others. Same thing, they have like the slider where you can do a combination. If you know like the number to the colors you want to use. Some people already have their own code that they use for their theme or for their Instagram or for their business or whatever. And change mine back to white and there you go. Just to show you the example of what I was saying, it's still going to do the same feature no matter if I change the font. Another quick thing, this is what the bonus that I was talking about that I learned and I found out. It's not something that I will probably use. I think this would be more of like a presentation look, or so if you're like teaching someone how to do something, or if you're doing like a course for someone or teaching a class. I think this last bonus feature is kind of going to be probably better for you versus if someone that is just doing a regular YouTube video or trying to create a reel possibly in here or anything versus probably teaching someone. And that one is the very last corner of the title page. So what I mean by that is you're going to click on the gear at the top here. you're gonna see where it says theme. Theme, there's different, it's not that many, but there are different ones that you can click on. So they have news, travel, modern, bright, all of that. I'm gonna click on playful for this one just so you can see how it looks. So when I click on playful, you're gonna see how the very last one, it changes. So you see how it doesn't look like this the rest of them. It looks how it is playful, how you did neon, that changes, and news, it changes to that. So this is what I mean by it may be more of a presentation type of look. In addition to this, if you click on the three dots to the left, you'll see where you have different ways that you can do this, meaning that you can make it an opening, middle, closing. And it looks like that for all of them. So they will look different. So let's go back to the settings wheel. Let's say we clicked on news. If you went back to the three dots, style, middle, opening, you'll see how they all look different. I'm going to change it back to split really quickly just to show you guys another last thing that I missed. If you click on the regular titles that they give you, not the last one that has the theme, and you click on the circles here, you're going to see how you can also do another type of customization to it. So you can add or minus the text shadow, and your letters all don't have to be uppercase. So they would mean like how all of my letters right here, but with this style is all uppercase, it wouldn't be. It would be lowercase or a mixture of uppercase and lowercase. Another thing is the style. You can put it either in the middle, how it has here, or in the corner. Another last thing is the full clip duration. So I don't know if you saw in the beginning, I'm going to show you first. You can play for just partial of the video like that, and then it's going to go away. Or you can click here, full duration, and it's going to play for throughout the whole clip.
Go.
And you see, it plays throughout the whole clip. So those are just a couple of things that I've learned while playing with iMovie. I always use iMovie to edit anything like my videos, or if I'm creating a course, I would probably start it here and then finish it in Canva. But iMovie is definitely something I stick to since the beginning. I haven't changed it. I don't plan on changing it unless I decide to learn something new. I know like Final Cut Pro is something that other people use. I'm sticking with iMovie and I'm gonna stay with it. So if you have any questions about iMovie, definitely leave it in the comments below.